My name is Bob Rafferty. Welcome back to our ChatGPT tutorial series. We have been exploring different ways that we can use ChatGPT to help us with our everyday lives. Today, we're going to get into content creation and what ChatGPT can tell us and suggest and offer us as far as creating content for Facebook or Instagram or any other social media. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to say, I need help creating content for Facebook. I have a, actually, let's go back to, we'll go YouTube. I have a YouTube channel with ChatGPT tutorials. What do you suggest? Let's see what this says. That's awesome. Here's some content ideas for your ChatGPT tutorials. Introduction to ChatGPT, how to create prompts. Advanced ChatGPT techniques, dive into more sophisticated uses like prompt engineering, fine-tuning responses, and leveraging ChatGPT for specific tasks, such as creating blog posts, automating tasks. Um, Integrating ChatGPT into daily workflows, using ChatGPT for business, ChatGPT and creativity. There's just gives us a list of some things that we could use for content creation. Let's switch gears a little bit and say, I want to create content for my Facebook page. Let's see what it says. Great. For your Facebook page, you want content that is engaging, shareable, and informative. Here's some ideas tailored to ChatGPT tutorials. And it gives an idea of, some stuff that you could do with ChatGPT. Um, Before and after examples. Share examples of how ChatGPT can improve a task like transforming a basic prompt into a detailed professional response. Show the before and after to highlight its power. Um, let's say, okay, um, help me write a Facebook post about um, quick tips for ChatGPT. And so right here, it gives us a post that we can copy and paste into Facebook. Quick tip for getting the most out of ChatGPT. Did you know ChatGPT can help with more than just answering questions? Here are some quick tips to make the most out of your chats. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better the response. Instead of asking, tell me about marketing, try, give me 3 marketing strategies for small businesses in 2024. Use follow-up questions. Don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT to clarify or expand on a response. It's a conversation, not a one-time answer. That's important to remember um, because we're building on, when ChatGPT gives an answer here, we're building upon that. So um, it's not like Google where you just type something and it gives you an answer and you're done. Here, you can tell ChatGPT to tweak it and change it for you. If it doesn't give you the exact information you're looking for, tell it. Tell it that's not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Um, so there's different, different. It's just a much more in-depth way to get information. Um, so we could, yeah, copy and paste this. We can, and now we have a Facebook post that we literally spent, 10 seconds. Um, let's say, let's go back up here. What was one of the other things? Um, let's see, quick tips, engaging poll questions. So um, let's ask ChatGPT to come up with some poll questions. Can you uh, come up with some engaging poll questions that I can ask on my Facebook page. So here's some engaging poll questions. How do you use ChatGPT the most? Writing and content creation, research and brainstorming, personal productivity, fun and entertainment, jokes, stories. What do you struggle with the most with ChatGPT? So it gives you a bunch of poll questions here. What would you ask ChatGPT if you could ask it anything? Um, what kind of content would you like to see more of? Advanced ChatGPT tips and tricks, how to use ChatGPT for business. So this gave us just a list of poll questions that we could possibly use. Let's see. Let's try another one. How about this? Quotes or fun facts. So let's say, give me some, or write a Facebook post about quotes and fun facts. Let's see what it comes up with. So right here, ChatGPT fun fact and quote of the day. Did you know? Fun fact, ChatGPT can generate responses in a variety of tones, from casual and friendly to professional and formal. It's like having a personal assistant with a built-in personality. Quote of the day, artificial intelligence is the new electricity. Just like electricity revolutionized the world, AI is changing the way we work, learn, and create. ChatGPT is a perfect example of how AI can make life easier and more fun. So how are you using ChatGPT today? Share in the comments. So again, it gave us this great post that we can copy and paste into Facebook to engage our audience. Um, so yeah, I think that about wraps it up for this one. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you and answer you. And please hit the like and subscribe buttons so that when new content comes out, you are alerted. And other than that, I will talk with you guys later.